Hi, my name is Scott Carroll, and I'm a design engineer here at Tinius Olsen. And today, I'm here with the Automated Marking Station that's a part of the Automated Tensile Hardness System. The most important part of the marking station is the pen. The pen is the same exact pen used for manual marking. It is easy to install. Just slide it right in, and now it is safely encapsulated into the system. The table is where the specimen will sit, and the table is able to move left and right, allowing for precise locations of the gauge markings. The table also has a specimen sensor. This sensor allows the whole station to know if there is a specimen on the table or not. The next part of the marking station is the centering station. This centering station makes the specimen always be aligned with the center of the pen so that the circles are always in the center of the specimen. Finally, there is a homing sensor that the table uses to know its current location so that it's always able to move specific amounts to get it to its desired positions. Hopefully that's helped you today. If you'd like to see more about the Automated Tensile Hardness System, please go to the YouTube playlist and enjoy the other content.